Good morning once again here at beautiful World Cat, and here's our ending product. Got that seafoam wrap. You saw the beginning stages and the ending stages under the gunnel. Came out really nice. Customer should be really happy with it. A little tight on this side, but at least you can see what's going on. So seafoam green, we got Fighty Lady yellow, Whisper gray. Let us know what color we want, and we can print it up also. Here you are. If you guys want an awesome catamaran, come and see at World Cat. They got some awesome deals going on. Talk to Travis in there.